So guys, I'm gonna the second experiment of the soap making by my lemon. But
Can you show me? Oh, that's lemon, half lemon.
Half lemon.
Half lemon.
Yes, my mother took the half piece.
Okay, so what are you going to do with the lemon?
I'm going to scrape it. They're asking 2 orange peels, orange and lemon peel. We don't have orange, so we're thinking we can do by this.
Okay.
And they said also with this wheel.
Okay,
You are
scrape it. Okay. Why? What is the use of using a lemon? Skin. We want the skin.
Okay, I need my. I'll get a plate 1 minute.
Yes.
Till the time my father will explain you. So I got it. Ball.
Yeah. So what is the use of peeling an orange lemon peel, Krishvaa? It gives a lemon fragrant.
Yes.
Yeah, natural.
Instead of these colors, we can make it like organic colors.
Yes. Can I help you?
I'm not good at this.
So guys, we need not to follow the manuals, right? So now Krishvaa is squeezing the lemon to get the lemon juice.
You need these.
Krishvaa doesn't have a strength.
What?
Yes. We are going to squeeze the lemon, get the lemon juice out. Don't hide it, Krishvaa. Okay, we are getting the lemon juice out.
Putting the lemon juice outside. We can use that as a fragrance.
Yes.
We can put that in our molding.
We have got. Kanla patucha lemon juice ante unnagadu. We have got this lemon juice now. Now let's add. Let's add the soap base. Can you add the soap base, Krishvaa?
The bus a bit original. The base. The base.
Open. Krishvaa has a glove, so he cannot open it. That is going to help him out.
I'm using my strength. Hello on the camera. Oh my god. I got.
Yep.
Should we put in that cup or this cup?
Which cup? Yeah, we'll use it here because the color is different.
Oh, Maybe we already added. We'll add the color.
Yes, we have to add more soap base.
More soapies.
Yes.
When it starts to rise, when we heat it up, when it starts to rise,
Yes.
we'll just,
Off the microwave.
yes.
Krishvaa has this funky hair.
Hey.
And he has a Ronaldo cut. Can show please? Left. Turn. Yes. Other side. Yeah. This he has a two cuts. Ronaldo cut. Nice.
Oh my gosh, it's sticky in my gloves. It's sticky hickey hippie. I think this much is enough.
You're going to do it with the duck. Duck needs lots of soap, so it can take lot of. It's a big one, so it can consume more soap. I think you need to put some more base.
The last.
Yes.
I think this much is enough.
Enough? Okay. Now next is what we have to do?
And the color.
Melting.
What?
What? Let's melt it and then put the color. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay. You want to add some more?
Yes.
Keep it inside. Close it. Turn on the timer. Rotate. Be switched off. Microphone. Yes. Keep it to 20 seconds.
No, I think it's more.
Okay. You want to keep it in 10? Let's do it with 10. Oh, that's 30 minutes. Okay. So Krishvaa wants to keep it in 10 seconds. Let's do it in the 10 seconds and then do it.
Start.
Krishvaa did not scared this time.
When it comes up, I'll off it.
Yeah. Again rotate. Did not come up. So let's do 10 more seconds. Start.
Oh! 20 seconds. Start. When it comes, it did not even melt. When it comes up, I'm going to.
Open it and check. Did it melt?
Yes.
Yes, it melted. Let's check. Can you put the stick inside? Wooden stick and check. Yeah, it melted. Okay. I think we can do it one more time. It's little more. It has to melt little. Let's keep for 5 seconds.
Hey, not the spoon.
That's okay. Wooden spoon, nothing will happen.
It will melt.
It
I
will not.
think it will burn down.
It will not. We'll see.
Papa,
We'll see.
please.
We'll see. Nothing will
Come
happen. It's an
on.
experiment. We can check.
Start. Papa, I think
Off. Good.
just on time before it came.
Just on time before it come outside, we stopped it. Let's add.
That one was the greatest stopper.
Do you get a lemon smell? No. Should we add the color? Some other fragrant?
Yes. Yes, Buffalo.
Can we ask Venba for her choice? Which fragrance you want?
1 minute. Guys, she cannot talk actually. She only knows Tamil.
She can also talk in English.
English only little.
Yes.
I mean very little.
Yes. Okay, now we have what all fragrant we have? We have strawberry, which we have already used. Can we try orange or
No.
green apple?
Orange.
Which color which fragrant we can?
Enna color venu.
Enna smell veno? Which fragrant? Orange or apple? Green apple? Green apple. Okay, she says green apple, Krishvaa. Let's use green apple.
But I think orange is more smelly.
Next time we can use green orange.
Orange is smelly. She says yes.
It is her choice, right? This is green apple.
Green apple.
Okay, but do it fast. It is getting.
Mix it for some time.
Enough. Now we have to add some color. Which color you want now?
I want
Red we used, yellow we used. blue we can try. Go fast.
Oh, one yellow blue.
Let me open and give you. Okay, let's close this. We are getting a blue color soap now. Mix it fast and then mold. Put it in mold. Krishna is mixing it. Can you get what is this?
Duck.
Duck. Now we are going
The
to
duck quack quack.
make a duck soap. Both of you, can you pour inside?
No, 1 minute. Where should I give the spoon? I need some help with my phone.
It's okay. It's not hot. It's not hot.
Just keep.
You hold it here. You hold it here. You hold it here. You hold it here on top.
So I can feel the
Yes.
Papa, I don't know. Please.
Okay. Krishna is getting a little scared, so Dad is going to pour. We are going to pour it onto the duck.
Duck. He said it was too much, but it was never. Put in the beak. Only a little bit it came, but that's okay. That's okay for the duck.
Yes. Now we got duck also.
A light blue color.
So we are going to check this out after.
4 hours.
Okay, we'll check out after 4 hours. Okay.
Guys, it was not 4 hours, but it got dried up so fast.
Yeah.
Before 4 hours.
Yeah. Within 2 hours it got dried. So can we try to remove it? Push it from the back side. Slow and steady.
But my father already removed this.
Teddy bear. Teddy bear has come outside. Can you show me?
Not that much good.
Yeah. Because we had less.
Less one.
Less. So can we try to remove? I'm going to try to remove this.
My father already removed it.
I'm going to push it back side from back side. Can you hold, Krishvaa?
The teddy bear. Oh my gosh. Look at him.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
So cool.
It is so
Smell,
cool.
smell.
Smells like strawberry, so I feel like I want to eat this.
Okay. So next we'll make a new experiment with this soap. Okay. Can you put it down?
Put it down, girl. And look at the teddy bear. Tell which is more nicer. The starfish or the teddy bear. Comment down below which is the greatest in this two. So guys, I got the duck.
Duck is ready.
Yes.
Can you remove it?
I need some help with my father.
You can do it slow.
He'll do it slowly.
No, I think it's not dry yet, Krishvaa. It's still very soft. It has to dry. It is very soft. We'll try it again later. Guys, we have to give some time for the duck to cool down.
The duck will take a long time to mold.
Yes.
I think it will take 4 hours.
Yes.
And because it's very too much it needs. Too much.
Probably after 2 hours we'll touch it again.
Yeah, and 1 minute, guys, you saw how did we remove the starfish as well as the bear.
Teddy bear.
And also, comment down below which is the greatest of among these three moldings of this soap. Comment down below which is the greatest. The star
Or the duck.
or the duck with lemon in the back and a teddy bear.
Oh, this is lemon. Lemon pulpy.
Please subscribe to my video, smash the like button, press the thumbs up, and bye guys.